Blood? We see it as just the red liquid that runs through our veins, but in reality, it's one of the most fascinating and vital parts of the human body. Without blood, life simply cannot exist. Yet most people only know the basics, that it carries oxygen, that it's red, and that you need it to survive. But today, we're going much deeper. Here are 10 incredible facts about blood that you probably never learned in school. First, did you know that blood makes up about 8% of your total body weight? That means if you weigh 70 kilograms, around 5 to 6 liters of blood are constantly circulating inside you. Imagine carrying a giant jug of liquid everywhere you go. That's basically what your body is doing right now. Second, blood is not just liquid. It's actually a living tissue made up of different parts: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Plasma alone, which looks like a pale yellow fluid, makes up more than half of your blood, and it's responsible for carrying nutrients, hormones, and proteins throughout the body. Without plasma, your cells wouldn't get the energy and resources they need. Third, every drop of blood is packed with red blood cells, and each of those cells carries a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen. What's truly mind-blowing is that your body produces about 2 million new red blood cells every single second. In the time you've been listening to this video, your body has already made tens of millions of fresh cells. Fourth, blood is powerful because of what it can tell us. Doctors can detect hundreds of diseases and conditions simply by analyzing it. From infections to diabetes, from cholesterol to cancer, your blood is like a biological report card of your health. Fifth, your heart pumps blood through an astonishing 60,000 miles of blood vessels in your body. That's enough to wrap around the earth more than twice. And this is all happening within you, silently, efficiently, without you ever noticing. Sixth, not everyone's blood is the same. There are over 30 different blood group systems identified, but the most well-known are A, B, and O. The differences come down to the proteins and sugars on the surface of your red blood cells. And here, something even more amazing. The rarest blood type in the world is known as Rh-null, sometimes called golden blood. Only about 50 people on Earth are known to have it. Seventh, blood is also tied to your emotions. When you feel embarrassed or shy, blood rushes to your face, and you blush. Incredibly, when this happens, the inside of your stomach also blushes, meaning blood flows to that lining too. Eighth, blood has built-in defense systems. White blood cells are like the soldiers of your body, always on patrol, searching for viruses, bacteria, or anything that doesn't belong. When they detect an invader, they attack. And when platelets rush in to form a clot, that's your body creating an instant emergency patch kit to stop bleeding. Ninth, blood has incredible value. Not just medically, but also literally. Scientists estimate that if you broke down and sold all the components of your blood, the plasma, red cells, platelets, and white cells, it could be worth thousands of dollars. That's why blood donation is considered one of the most valuable gifts you can give. And 10th, your blood is constantly moving, constantly circulating. But did you know that in just one day, your heart pumps around 7,500 liters of blood? That's like filling up almost 50 bathtubs every single day. For your entire life, blood is more than just the red liquid we see when we get a cut. It is life itself, carrying oxygen, energy, and protection to every single part of us. So the next time you feel your pulse, remember, your blood is telling the story of your body, second by second, heartbeat by heartbeat.